So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She's got some grown out blonde colored hair, beautiful wavy texture to her strands, and the stylist cuts the hair right off. So she ends up getting this beautiful chic bob with the curtain bangs. She embraced her darker roots. Such a pretty makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. All right, so we have someone here. She has super long hair. I'd say maybe like tailbone length. You can see that it's definitely past her waist. She's probably been growing this hair for years. So you can see her true length here, and the stylist just cuts off all of that hair. And then he gets into the shaping. So if you have long hair and you're looking for a new way to shake things up, a layered hairstyle is definitely going to be your best friend. It's going to give you so much body, so much movement, and create a lot of volume to your strands. Beautifully done. So here we have someone else with very long hair. It looks like her ends are pretty split here. The stylist is creating another gorgeous layered style. Very nice. And she got full bangs here on the front. Wow, such a pretty, cute, modern style. I feel like with this one, she went from boring to like very high fashion, runway model type of hair. Like she looks amazing. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. She's going to be getting that blonde hair color that's very popular right now. It's basically an in-between hair shade of blonde and brunette. So the stylist is cutting and shaping the hair first, adding in some layers. can see that bronze color coming through as he does the blowout. Gorgeous. Her hair looks so full and volumized. The color looks perfect. All right, next up we have a color transformation. So you can see here that she has like those really blonde ends. Kind of looks a bit like a ombre coloring. To be honest, I don't dislike the color that she initially has. I just want to go on record saying that. I think that the initial color that she has doesn't look that bad to me, but maybe that's just my own personal opinion. But she ends up getting this bronze blonde coloring. Perfect for like the summer. So pretty. Has a nice amount of dimension to it as well. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these layered hair ideas that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.